If you have a custody agreement and you're wondering, how do I revise it? I want to let you know that you can definitely revise it. Child custody agreements are always modifiable. But before we even talk about revising it, let's first determine, do you really have a court order? So a lot of times parents sign agreements about what they want to do with their kids, and then they don't do anything with the agreement. And maybe you haven't formalized the fact that you're getting divorced, or you haven't formalized the fact that you have a kid together with the court. You don't have any kind of orders in place already. So if you don't have any custody orders already in place with the court, and you just have some email confirming some agreement on sharing parenting time, that's not very helpful if the other parent doesn't follow this agreement. So first thing is you want to formalize it into a court order where you come over to my office and we will draft it up for you to your liking and make sure it complies with the family code and our recommendations. And we'd have your ex sign it, and his or her attorney, if they have an attorney, sign it, and we'd formally submit it to the court where a judge can sign off on it. So it's a formalized, stipulated order that can be enforced in California or other states or even potentially other countries. It's an enforceable legal order. Then if you want to modify it, we can modify it by agreement and go through the same process to formalize it as a modified court order. And that way, whatever you're agreeing to is actually set in stone, and it's something that can be enforced if your ex doesn't follow it. If you just have an email where your ex has responded, sure, yeah, sounds good, and nothing else, that doesn't mean much. But of course, you can modify that email if you guys change your mind and reach an agreement otherwise. If your ex is unwilling to reach an agreement and you're not going to be able to agree to a change, I don't want you to feel hopeless that you won't get to modify your custody orders, whether that's a change in your parenting time, whether that's a change in your vacation schedule, your holiday schedule, whatever it is that you're looking for.